there are two ways to say the in French. You can say le or la. Le is for masculine words and la is for feminine words. Let's take a look. So if you wanted to say the father, well, the word for father is père. So you would say le père. If you wanted to say the brother, well, the word for brother is frère. So you would say le frère. And likewise, if you wanted to say the son, the word for son is fils. So you would say le fils. Now let's look at the feminine side. So if you wanted to say the mother, the word for mother is mère. So you would say la mère. If you wanted to say the sister, the word for sister is sœur. So you would say la sœur. And if you wanted to say the daughter, the word for daughter is fille. So you would say la fille. So as you can see, for masculine words, we're saying le. And for feminine words, we're saying la. Simple enough. But here's the catch. Let's say you have a table and you want to say the table. Now the word for table in French is table. Okay, spelled the same way, simple enough. But how do you say the in this case? Do you say le or la table? Well, it turns out it's la table. And this brings me to the key takeaway in this lesson, that in French, every single noun has a gender, not just people. So inanimate objects also have gender, and whether a noun is masculine or feminine is completely arbitrary. It has nothing to do with masculinity or femininity, and turns out that many languages have this concept of gendered words, not just French. Some examples are Spanish, Italian, German, Russian, and Arabic. So this is a fairly common concept. Okay, so you've come to accept that words have gender. Now you might ask, well, how do I know whether a word is masculine or feminine? Well, there are some patterns that you can look for, and I'll cover this in a future video. But for now, at this introductory level, you can just resort to memorizing the gender of the word, and that's sufficient. What I'd recommend is, when you learn a new word in French, you also learn to say the with it. So for example, if you want to learn a new word, let's say bus, which is bus, instead of just learning the word for bus itself, learn how to say the bus, which would be le bus. Then you'll automatically know the gender of the word, because if you're saying le, it's for masculine, and if you're saying la, it's for feminine. In the next video, we'll practice this.